Stop by and take a look at 2012 Navigator L. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, backup camera, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, child safety locks, fog lights, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.